Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create IICS environmental variable and also how to connect local folder and database using IICS. First we need to log in. After login, we need to click administrator. After login, by default this is a display. Here environment type you can select sandbox. In data integration service, you can give failure success warning message. To receive your notification, use your email ID. So this is option. To create an environment variable, click on runtime environment. Look at here download runtime installer. Click this and select the environment type is secure agent. Look at platform, that is Windows 64 or Linux 64. I am selecting Windows 64. Copy this token and save it somewhere. Once you download it, try to install that executable file. Somewhere it is asking your username, which is IICS login username, and this token ID. There you have to mention this value. So it will connect your local machine to IICS machine. So that is you can use install token. So I have already created, already downloaded and installed it. I will show you how it look like. Look at this Informatica Cloud Security Agent. After installation, you will see this pop-up or this window. The secure agent has been stopped. While restart also you see this message means your service is not yet start. So you need to start the service going through the service window. Once it is enabled and your service will start automatically. Here, just restart it. After seeing this message, the secure agent of the all service are up and running. Go to Informatica or IICS login page. Create new runtime environment. Once you click on enter your environment and environment type is secure agent and description, click on next. So here you have to follow that message. So I have already created this. How it look like? Name and all the services are starting up. You have to wait until this startup as green start. So here you can see this message with the green color. All services are running. Then only you can use it IICS. Otherwise, you have to wait. Look at here status up and running. All the services are up and running. It's showing green tick mark. So once all these services are up and running, go to your connections. So here click connection. Add connection. Select your connection type, either flat file, MS Access, ODBC, Oracle, SAP, whatever the connections you want. Here I am selecting flat file and click next. Enter your connection name and just give paste. File description you can mention runtime environment, which we already created in the runtime environment section. You could see your connection details here, like your desktop name, select, and directly you can browse it or you can enter it. Here I am giving this just folder, date format default I'm taking, code page you just mention UTF-8. Once entered all the details, just click paste. See, the paste for this connection was successfully completed. You can save it. The connection was saved here. The same way you can take another connection and create Oracle connection. I have already created. I'm just opening this existing connection. I'll show you the edit on Oracle runtime environment, Oracle subfile, Oracle on-prem. And authentication mode, Oracle database authentication, username, your username, password, localhost, and the service name and code base which you have filled. Once you click on test, it will check your existing database in the local database. So it will pass. The same way we see that file connection, right? Then save it. All the connections are displayed here. These are very important while moving to next. So please like, share, subscribe to my channel to get this kind of scenario. Thank you.